Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create an eval command for your Discord bot. An eval command is a command that lets you execute code inside of Discord, basically evaluating your code. So if you don't already have base code or don't have a bot yet, then go watch my first video, and if you want a more advanced bot, then watch my second video. But assuming you do, let's get into it. If you need any help or you have any errors, then join my Discord, linked below. I am always here and ready to help. But let's get into it. So I'm going to be using my advanced command handler today. So I will be in my file and my code will be inside here, and that will be the same as if you were in your main file and you didn't have a command handler and you were doing it inside here. So you take this part of the code in between this execute and these brackets. But let's get into it. So first I'm going to make my eval file. So eval.js. I'm going to create my export. So module.exports equals, then object name eval description evaluate code. Then I'm going to set my execute, and we're going to execute message, args, and Discord. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a variable for our input. So I'm going to do const input equals args.join and then a string with a space. And you can check out my GitHub repository to see what args is defined as if you don't already have args defined or you didn't watch my video. But if you haven't watched it and you need that, I recommend watching it instead of just copy pasting code. So now I'm going to make an embed to actually send. So const embed equals new discord dot message embed, and I'm going to set the title to evaluation. I'll set the description to my code that it evaluates. So I'm going to do backtick strings. Then I'm going to use the backslash to cancel out the backticks so I can use the code block. So I'm going to do 3 there. Then I'm going to create a template literal, and in here I'm going to put eval and then input inside of the parentheses. Then I'm going to go back outside of this template literal and put 3 more backticks. So now I'm just going to set the footer to message.author.tag. And now I'm going to create an if statement to check if the user is me, and in your case it will be you. Now I'm going to do this because the eval command can totally break your bot, so you only want yourself to use it, as someone could just do the eval command and do something like channel.delete, and there goes the channel. And it can do worse things. You just need to make sure that you're safe and only allow yourself to use the command. So if message.author.id does not equal, so we use the exclamation point equal does not equal operator, then I'm going to get my ID, then I'm going to put it in a string. So if it does not equal my ID, then I'm going to return message.reply. You can't use this command. Else, if it is our ID, then we're going to message.channel.send embed. And I'm also just going to change this to a lowercase e because I think that has to be all lowercase for the name. So now if we turn on our bot with no dot, then we come to Discord, and I'll do my exclamation point, which is the prefix I have set, and then the command name eval, then some code, and I'm just going to use message.channel.name as the code. Then as you can see, it gives the channel name. So that is basically how you code a simple eval command. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. Remember to join my Discord if you need any help or just want to talk, anything like that. Creative criticism is appreciated. Comment down below what you thought. Like if you like. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I am out.